Hello children, Sai Ram to all. So how was your vacation? Enjoyed? Fine. So now let's start with our studies then. We'll start with active English. Okay. Our chapter 19 is there now. Okay, you go. Ready with your active English book and pencil and eraser too? Fine. Now, the question is, write short yes answers. Now, children, you are very much aware now about the short yes answer and short no answers, right? We have done this, short answers. Okay. Now, here, the instruction is write short yes answers. Now, before we go ahead with this, I just want to know whether you remember what we have learned in our last lesson. The yes statement and the no statement. Do you remember? Okay, so don't forget that because we are going to use them in our next chapters. Okay, we know what is yes statement, a positive one, no statement, a negative sentence. Okay, and it is very easy to understand the negative sentence or the no statement, right? It has what? The no words. No, not, neither, never. Isn't it? Okay, so let's start doing this exercise now. Write short yes answers. Okay, the first one here you can see. Okay, he went to school yesterday. Didn't he? Now in this exercise, you will see that the first part of the sentence, he went to school yesterday. Actually, it is the answer. And the remaining part, it is the question which is asked to confirm. Okay, like he went to school yesterday. Didn't he? Okay, so the question is asked. He went to school yesterday, didn't he? So we have to reply yes answer, right? And in short. Okay, so what we'll do? Yes, he did. Okay, because yes answer, and in the question itself we can find out the statement is he went to school yesterday, and to confirm a short question is asked, didn't he? And for that we have to reply in short with yes answer. So yes, comma, he did. Okay, past tense, went is past, right? Past tense. So he went to school yesterday, didn't he? So what we did here, we removed the not part here, the negative part, because yes statement we want, right? So our answer is yes, he did. Followed? Let's see the second one. They go every day, don't they? They go every day. So that is a fact. And again the short question is asked to us, don't they? And we have to give them the yes answer. Short yes answer. So what we'll do? Yes, they do. Right? We have removed the negative part. Don't they? So yes, they go. Followed? Now let's do the third one. He likes swimming. Doesn't he? So our answer is yes, he does. Right? Yes, he does. So actually we have the answer in the question itself. Okay, we have to just confirm it and make that answer the short yes answer. So here we have he likes swimming. Doesn't he? What we did? Yes, he does. We have removed the not part here. Followed? The same way we are going to do the next questions also. Okay, the fourth one. They like painting. Don't they? They like painting, isn't it? So our answer is yes. Yes, they do. Right? Yes, they do. We have removed the not part from here. We have removed no. Right? Fifth one. She went to Chennai. Didn't she? Again, we have the answer. Yes, comma, she did. Right? Past tense. She did. She went to Chennai. Isn't it? And the fourth one, they like painting. Present tense. We are talking about the present things. Right? So, they like painting. Don't they? So yes, they do. And fifth one, she went to Chennai. Didn't she? Yes, she did. That means she has already gone. She went there. Okay? Yeah. Now the sixth one. He enjoys singing. Doesn't he? Right? Doesn't is the past, present tense, right? Doesn't he? So, he enjoys singing. Doesn't he? Our answer is yes, he does. Now also he enjoys, right? In the present tense. Maya saw the aeroplane. Didn't she? Yes, she did. Right? Saw is the word. So, it is the past tense of see. So, yes, she did. Followed? Okay. Now, the homework part for you. The 8th and the 9th sentence question which is given to you, that you are going to do it as homework. Okay? You have to do it. Followed? Okay. Now, let's move ahead with the next exercise. Write short no answers. Now, the same thing we are going to do. First, we did the yes answer. Now, we are going to do the no answers. Okay, now let's see how. Okay, the first one. He didn't go to school yesterday. Did he? So, the first part itself tells us that he did not go. Isn't it? So, he didn't go to school yesterday. And they are confirming it with us by asking, did he? So what we have to do here? No answer, right? So our answer is no, he didn't. Right? What we did here? We added the no statement, right? We have made it into no. He didn't. So our answer is a no statement. No, he didn't go to school yesterday. Second one. They don't like swimming. Do they? They don't like. So our answer is no, they don't. They don't like swimming. Followed? So in the first exercise it was yes. So we removed the no part. Okay. From the question and we wrote the yes as answer. Now in this exercise we have to add no here. Followed? So no, they don't. Okay. Now let's see. The third one. She doesn't live in Chennai. Does she? So the answer is no, she doesn't. She didn't go for the picnic. Did she? No, she didn't. Got it? Now, fifth one. They don't wear coats. Do they? No, they don't. He doesn't like cooking. Does he? No, he doesn't. Followed, children? Now, seventh one. Mohan didn't come to school. Did he? No, he didn't. Now, don't forget to give the comma, children, okay? After no or yes. When you're writing yes answer, again that time also yes, comma. And here no, so no, comma. And once the sentence is over, put a full stop. Okay, the answer is over, put a full stop. Eighth one, the girls don't like dancing. Do they? No, comma, they don't. Full stop. Follow till here? Okay, so homework, the 9th and 10th question is homework for you. Okay, I hope you are completing your homework too. Okay, now the question next is, finish the questions and then write short yes answers. Okay, now till now in the first two exercise we had the full question. Okay, and then we have to write either yes or no sentence answer. So here what is our work? Here we have to finish the question part also. And then we have to write the short yes answer. Okay, see the first one. She went to Kolkata yesterday. Didn't she? So the short answer was yes, she did. Right? The second one, they like walking, don't they? Yes, they do. Okay, so what we have here, children? Didn't she? Right? it is the complete, till here we have the complete question, right? She went to Kolkata yesterday, didn't she? Yes, she did, is the answer provided by us. Okay, now in the next question, let's see. Now this third one we can see it is incomplete. He walks to school, and then a blank is given, and then he is given. He walks, okay, present tense. So what will come? Doesn't. So he walks to school, doesn't he? So the short answer is yes, comma, he does, and a full stop. Okay, so in this way we have to complete the question also here. Now the fourth one. He bought a pen. Bought is a past tense, right? So we'll add here, didn't he? So our answer is yes, he did. Okay, past tense, did. Now the fifth one. They like reading. Don't they? Okay, so we have completed the question, and the short answer is yes, they do. Okay, so in this way we have done with the short yes answer, and the sixth one is homework for you. Okay, now let's do the other exercise. Finish the questions and then give short no answers. It is same like the previous one. Okay, question will be incomplete and we have to complete it, and then we have to also give the short no answer to the question. Ready to go? Let's see. He didn't tell her, did he? So the answer is no, he didn't. Okay, it is a no answer. So what we have done, we have added no here in our answer, isn't it? So no, he didn't. So did will become didn't. They don't like working. Do they? No, they don't. Okay, no, they don't. So again the third one. She doesn't sit there. Does she? No, she doesn't. Mohan didn't do it. Did he? No, he didn't. Follow, children? Okay, the fifth one. The men didn't finish the work. Did they? So the answer is no, they didn't. No, they didn't. Okay, so here what we have done again? We have asked to provide the no answer, right? So we have added no, they didn't. Why they? Because we are talking about whom? We are talking about the men. So no, they didn't. Followed? Okay. Now, homework, question number 6. Okay. So this part again, this only one question is there that you are supposed to do it as homework. So in each exercise, one or two questions are given as homework. So don't forget to do it. Okay. Try to do it by your own. It is very easy. You have to just concentrate while writing what you are writing. Followed? So let's stop here. Do complete your work. Bye.